So hold on, what go up here now? The Gaza fans them have cancel Skippa. So what wanna say? Skippa get cancelled now. You no say Skippa link up with Alkaline.
A few moments later.
Yo, Mr. Vanessa Bling got through her judgment with the Gaza and Vibes Cartel. And Vanessa Bling decides that she a hold her own. She no want to link up. She no want to go back this up. She not go back in no system. She not take back no more program.
2,000 years later.
So Vibes Cartel, next time you tell yourself or thinking that you run this app, social media, TikTok, any one of them, think twice. You work hard for your career. You work hard for your legacy. All it takes is one fuck up.
Damn!
Hold on, where the big Batman one Kevin there?
When Fambo did the pan in crack pipe, how much of them artists did they actually reach out to Fambo? When Fambo they go through depression, when Fambo did that in lowest point, how much of them artists did actually reach out to Fambo? But now, them see Fambo, find the algorithm. I don't know if Fambo actually be a TikToker or Fambo will actually be a TikToker.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Vendetta boss represent fully.
Well, go on, you don't know one media facts man up, you know. Yeah, man, one media facts man. People me not like J Progress. Yo, bird season. Boy, never know say mother see this day forwarding, but boy, I don't know. Jaja youth. The Gaza thing, I don't know. In a shambles right now. But you don't know media facts go to work. You see me? So look at now, we are going live with the people. Respect. All road with 5K subscriber. You understand? Respect for all who are support media facts. You see it? Yeah, man. Respect, man. You don't know what things said. Yeah. And big up to my haters too. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up to my haters. That's how it go. And still I support the thing same. You see it? Yeah, man. So I could go in a video. I will J Progress, I say.
So hold on, what go up here now? The Gaza fans have up cancel Skippa. So what wanna say? Skippa get cancelled now. You no say Skippa link up with Alkaline. Remember, you know, an artist have to brave to post a picture with Alkaline, you know. An artist have to brave to take a picture with Alkaline, you know. They have to not afraid of the Gaza, and they have to no response to the Gaza, and they have to have no allegiance to the Gaza. So what wanna say Gaza? What wanna go do? Cancel Skippa? Because remember, you know, any artist will link with Alkaline, you know, the poison the youth them career around here, you know.
Yeah, man, I say, go man, nobody no feeling Alkaline, man. Anybody can link up with any other artist, but once you link up with Alkaline, yeah, man, them narrate you. You see it, I saw them do it. You see me, remember them say Alkaline narrate nobody and every look a thing. And when look how nasty video, everybody a link Alkaline right now. You understand? Over the years, them paint that picture there. Because you know why? The youth not forward and in the media and all of them look a thing there. Them don't know if the youth and other people are linked, you know. Like without camera and them thing there, you know. You understand? So them paint it. Seem like how Bounty Killer man forward out and say Alkaline narrate people. Yeah, man. Yeah, Alkaline narrate you, because you narrate him. You understand? That is just a natural thing, you know. If you see somebody narrate you, always bring you down. Why you go rate them? Why you go want to link up with them? You understand? Yes, let me tell you this, if people don't know. You see, all of who will rate Alkaline, genuinely rate Alkaline, them are going to link up with Alkaline. If you don't rate Alkaline, you're not going to link him. Seem like how Idonia, Star Cashley, and Skippa link Alkaline, and rate him for go where him there. You understand? Yeah, man. So all who not link up with Alkaline, them just not rate him, or them just not get the time to do it. You understand? Yeah, man. So I just want them think the people. You see, if them want, but at the end of the day, no Gaza, Bert, you call it, Skippa never forward under no entity. The youth busting at the media, I say everybody in billing thing over TikTok, everything. You understand? So I don't know what them are gonna do. You see, me never hear Skippa forward out. Me never hear Skippa say my Gaza yet, or me never hear of that na goalie or what. You see me only him say night time.
You see, to no pressure the youth them. Make me say, we no cancel Skippa no. Remember, for a little youth, right now, Skippa and Malidan and them little youth, they run dance all right now. And Valiant them, and them have the artist sang them. So what go on? Are we going to see the Gaza cancel Skippa career now? Because them seem linked with Alkaline? Because no, the Gaza run dancehall according to them. I wonder how long them get Skippa before them cancel Skippa career. The youth them wise up. The youth them now follow no run backer. The youth them now lean to no side where I put corruption in the thing and make the youth them feel like a certain artist of this and certain artist of that. Me tell you already. The youth them in a dancehall don't respect Vice Cartel. Remember me tell that the youth them are no fool. Believe.
Yeah, because over the years, remember enough of the youths them back then did different when Cartel before him go prison. You understand? Him never did that kind of react the way him react now. So when them actually see him react now, for him come up in prison, real youth where militant and them thing and see a man a react like them way, them now go really meds him. You understand? Yeah. So I just saw the thing go.
Yo, Mr. Vanessa Bling got you a judgment with the Gaza and Vice Cartel. And Vanessa Bling decides that she will her own. She don't want to link up. She don't want to go back this up. She not go back in the system. She not take back no more program. She will her own and work on her own career. And I see the Gaza supporters them drag Vanessa Bling and this Vanessa Bling and style Vanessa Bling as all different kind of something. But guess what? Up to today, the biggest forward Vice Cartel get at a stage show, the biggest cheerleading session, the biggest choir session is the Vice Cartel and Vanessa Bling song. When
Yeah, man, I fox that, man. You understand? You understand? A real thing. When they say introducing Vanessa Bling, you understand? As Gaza Slim, you see me, and then Fear Power thing there. A big forward, him always get the biggest forward with that song there. Trust me. You understand? Because the girl, them go sing it out and one bag of thing. You see me? But, you see, Vanessa Bling went down a part, a very dangerous, a very haunted, a very, what do I call it? A very depression part of road where she look on herself and say she now go back down the road. You're not supposed to know what going on the past if Vanessa Bling get caught up in the court case and every little thing. You don't know if you go up on the internet you will see it and nothing where I hide. You understand? You don't know Vanessa Bling family is a Christian them and thing and church and them godly people. You understand? So Vanessa Bling just learn her lesson. Remember there's a lot of interview what she do. You understand? You can go watch them. Where, she even post one time say, 3 years and 9 months her life got taken from her. Because she couldn't fly, go nowhere, she couldn't do no shows outside. She have to report to this, every little thing. She end up must go jail. I think she got jail. Yeah. I think she got jail. You understand? Or jail or prison. One of them. I think her prison she got, yeah. And she attack what she been through Indian. A lot of things. You see me? She trust me, it's not normal. And trust me, our family fight with her. Our family fight with her. You understand? And that's why, you see when she hear the name Vice Cartel, trust me, she don't want to hear that name there. Because she got remember when she in a prison. And just depression, stress, everything. Peer pressure, everything what she got through. But you see right now, she a flourish. Because what? She know and go back down the road there. Be things are going for her, every little thing. You understand? When me say be things are going for Vanessa Bling, be things are going for Vanessa Bling. Trust me. All you see her there, she have her money. I mean, I talk about no money because of music and all of them things there. I want real business girl. Me I tell her that here. Yeah, man.
Vanessa Bling say, a one man. Believe no man. When you think about, every stage show a Vice Cartel do, the biggest forward, the biggest cheerleading, the biggest choir. Him and Vanessa Bling collab. Me see no beat Vanessa Bling, But right now, Vanessa Bling did the same way I do her thing. Every other female artist run go back around Vice Cartel with him forward out. Look what go on. Where's Lisa Hype? Where's Gaza Hindu? Where will that happen?
Yeah, man, for real, man. Lisa Hype, Gaza Hindu and Sheba. Yeah, man, nothing to do for them. Me see one time Gaza Hindu post up one music video on our YouTube page. People, about 6K views it get for about couple weeks. Well, 6K. She not get no support. You understand? She not get no support. None. Me I tell her that. You see me, Sheba. When you see what going on with Sheba. Every little thing. Nothing to do. Vanessa Bling alone a flourish. You understand? Because that girl there, she know what she do. She know the energy, every little thing. You understand? She's smart. One smart girl. You see it? Yeah, man. She a tour down Paris. And she alone have a musical career out of the Gaza. You see me? As a female. Yeah, man.
Me I try show no. What happened to Rhino? Rhino career still living. We don't have to know a ball game player. Vanessa Bling make a good move and stay to herself. You see, Vanessa Bling never did do that. Vanessa Bling will not have a career right now. Believe when me telling a man. See, Aishana still like tried over one part about this. So I say, well, Cartel go boss her. Cartel not have that strength there again. See, Shana control the actual one part about this. So say Cartel go boss her. Cartel not have that strength there again. Me telling you, you know, it's on glamour at time. Let me tell you something more that thing at work. You know, so one night time, I say Romisha run the app. When I say Romisha run it, Romish lock it down. And I one fuck Romish fuck up. And go beat up TJ and Maya. And make me tell you something. Romish and the pan the app too tough again.
No, it's not Romish beat them up. You understand? Allegedly, Romish security, whatever, bodyguard or whatsoever. Not Romish. You understand? You enjoy progress. You see it? That's a correction there, sir.
The fall where Romish get from the app is so hard a problem to get up back. Romish tell himself, say, better me just remove myself from this thing and go and lay low.
Let me tell you what go on. Romish should get caught up in this TikTok clout and everything. And as a businessman, a boss and everything, I don't feel like this on a your little category. Yeah, the business and every little thing, yeah. And I think after that, when him start do that, things just are going good. And then the hurricane forward, the hurricane Melissa, and this one now people start to, you know, start giving back the ratings. The base pan him help out a lot of people for the hurricane thing. I think him rebrand him, yeah, him end up rebranding business from Romish Entertainment to major marketing. So yeah, you see sometime on everything as a businessman, you have to stay out of them thing. Indeed too much in the TikTok thing and all of them like a thing there. When I see it, I say, no, my G, no, you know, put yourself there so you will lose respect. Once our people look up to and you will lose the respect once you will get caught up in a TikTok thing, people start disrespect you and all of them little thing. They see me. And I think him learn him lesson. You see it?
So Vibes Cartel. Next time you tell yourself, I'm thinking that you run this app, social media, TikTok, any one of them, think twice. You work hard for your career. You work hard for your legacy. All it takes is one fuck up. And you have to really think twice. All of this we are going right now. With the Gaza camp and the attack and a fear run for cover. And everybody swarms out and run and hide. Vibes Cartel. It was just one disrespect where you disrespect that female there. You think women have no power, but they do. That it was just that one disrespect that you disrespect that female. Because all of this a problem here, Vibes Cartel. Think about it. Things were good until you tell yourself, say, you could have deal with a female like garbage. Just think about it, Vibes Cartel. It was just that one disrespect. And no Gaza fans even say that should have never did one still no me boss, but it's what it is. The whole of them cheer you on and tell you say some gal, some whore, some bitch, some germs, some drunko forget disrespect when them after them no fi ask. It was just that one disrespect. Think about it. Hold on, where the big Batman one Kevin there, we say him a Gaza top blogger. You see when it really come down to it, you see who are the clown them in this?
Yeah, man. Yo, sometimes I have to laugh, people. Sometimes I have to laugh. I tell them already, Media facts, they tell them. Everything are going to make sense soon. Who didn't know say one day J Progress would have there and a beat the Gaza? Who didn't remember when J Progress usually run out? A defend the Gaza, call out every artist and everything, and then him get a flashback. And say, yo, this, no man, this is not me, man. What? No man, me too real for this. So look at J Progress now. I beat the Gaza. Imagine, people. Imagine. You see me? All who rather get the beating them not have to worry now. J Progress I do the work. You understand? And now him realize say, yo, no man, this a thing I look like it a go bring him over one part where him now one day. You understand? Yeah, man.
You know see when the pressure really reach the Gaza, you know see who are the clown? Where all of the Gaza blogger them, we say them a blogger there. See Vibes Cartel out here fight blogging war like him a new TikTok blogger there. Big bad superstar Vibes Cartel rich like wow. Out here toe to toe with man in a social media if you defend him, the Gaza defend himself. What happened? The one little lion energizer. So it come like Vice Cardinal go send two lion to energize them and give them some strength. Me tell them long time, them a chat him out, them a name blogger. You no thinking of them a case ya. You no think you can go tell man say them a bat him and a hood in a mouth and this and that and he help the Gaza. You know if he can blog. Well on, where batty boy want Kevin there the rest of them? You no say Gaza need help. Well you no can hide. Or one Kevin there somewhere try sort out paperwork for can fly to Jamaica.
Kevin can't do nothing. Him can't do him no strength. Weak out. May I tell you that. Kevin weak out right now. You understand? Him weak out. Cause look here now. More while me see man I'll post up some video on the TikTok people. Right? You will see some views, right? This one you looking at man comment? 95% of people might diss him. Him now hold no weight. No weight. Him not nobody. You understand? Yeah man, him not nobody man. He can't defend no Gaza. You see? You see people with brains, yeah, maybe them could have do it if you have people with brain, but them youth there, them even bring nothing for kinda even help Vice Cartel musically. All them do are just get up and just talk about other people and put up people picture and face and every little thing. Them not do nothing for help the artist, brethren. The man them not review Vice Cartel music. When Vice Cartel release new music, them not talk about it. Them not do nothing for him musically. You understand? Yeah, them not do nothing. Nothing them not do. I just be a drama and them little thing that them deal with. You see it? Yeah man, so that's why people not too in tune. You see it?
You out here beat man and you yourself can't move. Boy, me tell you, youth. When it really come down to it and the Gaza under pressure, well, we not there. We no can't defend the Gaza. Vice Cartel have out here in the social media defend the Gaza himself. And he's a rich man, busy man, and have the time. Shame man, no man. Me tell you, You see, every day coming out here with the most derogative type of blogging of telling people about their mother and who man a fuck from who man now fuck and who this and who that. You no realize that you're not blogging. See the Gaza under pressure, yeah. Defend the Gaza. Go on there. Me telling you a long time. You know some little mongrel dog on social media. All bite, all bark, no bite. Rubber teeth. Rubber teeth. See there, Me didn't tell you, Any day, name day, J Progress change the game. For and now black for the Gaza no more. And the real judgment start. See, Footer hype clever. Footer hype wait till me kick down all the defense and left the Gaza wide open. Name believe when me tell you say a bird sees up on the Gaza. Every one side blogger can run in right now. Every genocide blogger can run in right now. Every vendetta blogger. Every blogger can run in right now and beat all of the blogger them want to stifle and scare off. Me glad say now them sissy a be a chat him out. But them over there black for the Gaza. Them are just some bag of bully which I scare off people. Me know no never expect it. And boy, bird sees up on the Gaza. A be a free dopey over there. Pick no choice. Believe.
Yo, dog, Jaja youth. The internet, nice. Content for days. When no media folks go to work, people. We're there for entertain the people, them. You understand? And it's easy work for us. The Gaza is beating the Gaza right now. Imagine. The man who usually vlog for the Gaza. He never beat the Gaza. Imagine, people. Jaja youth, me I tell you. But people, the brother I go tell you what I want, Yeah man, can we tell them, When it comes to musically, Alkaline, that's Alkaline power. And that's supposed to be his power. You understand? So I'm going to tell you what I go on down at Trinidad when it forward to Alkaline and the others are dancehall artists. You understand?
These are the top 20 hottest songs and the top 15 hottest artists in Trinidad and Tobago since summer start. We're going to start with the top 15 hottest artists. You can be a hot artist but you don't have the hottest song. And you can have the hottest song and don't be a top 15 artist. So starting at number 15, Rod Wave. Number 14, Drake. So a hip hop start off the thing already. We dancehall and soca. Dancehall yes already. 30, Cayman 6. 12, Meds Bass. 11, Squash. I lead Meds Bass and Cayman 6. And in there Drake. Oh, go on. 10, Tamale Sparta. 9, Raja Wild. 8, Malidan. 7, Valiant.
Yo, Jaja dog. So this I done at Trinidad. You don't know, I think Alkaline are going at Trinidad the 22nd of August. Yeah, summer stage. You don't know that. A mad thing down there, man. Yeah, man, I got shell down there. Me I tell you, the next viral moment.
6, Vibes Cartel. 5, 5, Popcorn. 4, Prince Wani. 3, TJ. Number 2, Chronicler. Number 1, Alkaline. You never seen TJ in Jamaica now. You look like he had a Jamaica as well, he had a Trinidad. You see me? Let's go to the top 20 hottest song in Trinidad.
John was the Alkaline. Alkaline. Give them a round of applause. The youth what them say fall off from 2016. That's how it go. Alkaline tell you, everything will go make sense soon. Yeah, man.
Since the summer start. And number 20 for the top 20 hottest song, Passenger Princess, Valiant and Russian. 19, Ducks Darling, Christo and Advocate. 18, Masterpiece, Alkaline. 17.
Wait them, Masterpiece. I think them say, wait there, I want to go on. So, we think a girl good alone, them say, but Masterpiece are going with things. Yeah, man. Funny album there. NPT.
Airplane Mode, TJ. 16, Outside Brawling, Tamale Sparta and Andrew Blacks. 15, Robbers, Vexing and Perps, whatever. 14, Spin, 38 and Deal. 13, 8 p.m. Armani and Malidan. You see me? Malidan feature on a song there. 12, Van Cleef, Malidan and Automatic. 11, Rocket, Meds Bars. 10, TT, Master T. Number 9, Girl Good, Alkaline and Shorty. 8, Bend Over, Sam Dan and Country.
So we're there. Okay, so Masterpiece and Girl Good. I go on, man. I go on.
No, Sam Dan. K-Man featuring Sam Dan, Country Hype producer. 7, Funds, Temper. You see me? So Country Hype producer and Sam Dan and K-Man 6 are the artists. You see me? So Country Hype responds to the rhythm. Sam Dan and K-Man 6 respond for the lyrics. You don't know. Love 2, 6, Love 2, Jake 1 and Top Skin. 5, Go Down, TJ. 4, Just Do It, Meds Boss. That song they are going good enough. Just Do It, Meds Boss. But right now, I almost forgot the song called Beer. Pepper Light. Anyway, 3, Woy, Valiant and the Genius. 2, like how you feel, I don't know, I don't have a top song in Trinidad, man. I see this on the Jamaica chart. I go check out that song, Number 1, Die, Sharkira and Burna Boy. So these are the top 15 hottest artists and top 20 hottest songs in Trinidad and Tobago. You see me? Let me know which country me for the next. Comment down below. At least make it.
Well, that's good. Alkaline. Jaja. So Alkaline. Wait there. I don't see Massacre. Wait, I want to go on. I see Alkaline have 2 songs I go on. Masterpiece and Girl Good. So I want to go on. I don't see Slip and Slide. I want to go on, people. Jaja youth. I'm bossy. No, dog. I want to go on. Jaja dog. Something out. Yo, that's what I'm telling you. When it comes to music, Alkaline are for the day, you know. Yeah, man.
Comment, get at least 5 likes. I'm going to go to the country the next. You see me? So anyway, you can check out my previous video them with me do Jamaica. You see some of my artists on the Jamaica one, but you don't see like Squash on the Jamaica one, but you don't see like other artists. You see Meds Boss in a hot song. You have the hot song in a Jamaica and then a top 20 hot song. Yeah, you see Malidan and Valiant and the people, of course. But what I say still? Just like the video, share it to somebody who might like this video. I want to know what the hottest song and the hottest artist are.
Me I go say something. Alright. Everybody know Fambo. Where red light, pepper light, yes, I mean, most people know. Me know if I rub my Red Bull and them thing, but most people, younger one, them know Fambo. Red light, pepper light. You understand? But this is what me I go say. Alright, me see, everybody a try link with Fambo, you know, even some big top artists where, you see me, Kawa, Fambo at for the internet. Fambo at. Me not like every stroll a Fambo, me say. Fambo at, you see me? But what me I said, Zine, when Fambo did the in crack pipe, how much of them artists that they actually reach out to Fambo? When Fambo they go through depression, when Fambo did that in lowest point, how much of them artists they actually reach out to Fambo? But now, them see Fambo, find the algorithm, me don't know if Fambo actually be a TikToker or Fambo will actually be a TikToker.
Alright, oh boy. You see? This are the same thing when it comes to Vice Cartel as well. When Vice Cartel the prison, a lot of people did stop kinda, you know, do certain things. Some of them not to play him song like that. Some of them never did act like how them act now since him forward out and the hype and the prison hype and all of them little things there. You see, people kinda selfish in a way where them know you know. Seeing them see every little thing. Right? It's like this. Say you post your little thing them on your status on your phone and every little thing, right? You know, you're not post nothing, you're there at the beach, way. Then we there watch your status, you know. Make you go buy one Porsche and say you put up all one brick of money. Right? A be a DM. A be a DM. Them a link you. Yo, wagwan. You know, some want go and party, yo, this, that. Everybody a come friend you up now, no. Yo, you know, some of you want a little thing for borrow. Everybody only see the glory. I saw them steer. You see me? I just threw Fambo not really smart and know, say, brother, you get too much energy. You understand? Too much strength. You go weak out. You see, soon after this, when the little hype gone left Fambo and the little clout him have now, everybody are going to stay far from him. You understand? All me that. That's why I say, yo, Fambo should have find couple song well. You see that little red light, pepper light thing there? That nah really do nothing right now, me G. Because it's not actually a song. You want something where you can go all overseas when you get bookings. So you should have look for release more songs right now. Thousands of songs. Because the hype is not going to stay forever. Maybe all after summer it gone. By Christmas is a different man run it up. You understand? So them I use Fambo now. And just through Fambo, I get caught up in the hype and the clout now. With himself, it's like him not realize what going. Because when them see Fambo did Ray, them never care about him, them call him junkie, him a do this. Now, things are going for him, everybody a link up. Me see how much people a link up Fambo, them a call him, say, yo, link up this, Ray, this, that. But when him did dip on him face, nobody not dead if you take him up. I saw it go. At the end of the day, that's why I have to rate Alkaline. Because it no matter if him a train or what, nobody can feed into him energy. You understand? Him keep him clout, him keep everything to himself. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I just one of them thing there.
Let me know. You see me? But a TikTok a hot place. Everybody want come over TikTok. I remember over TikTok Valiant them a boss and no artist boss over TikTok. So them a go and like say TikTok no do great things. You see me? And enough you reach over TikTok too. You see me? You understand? But listen what me I say. How much of them people that me see a run down back a Fambo now and a try, you see me? Right for the man, Clout or whatever. How much I know did reach out to Fambo when him did at the lowest point, when him did sick, when him, you understand?
None of them never care, brother. Them not care. Even till now, them not care about Fambo. No, 99% of them we see there on Fambo Clout right now, them not care about Fambo. Them just want the clout. Me I tell you, them just want the clout. You understand? You see, after that and everything hype gone, that's how society stay. When you're up on that level there, them look up, them see you. Seeing? Them just want you pull them up with the rope. Pull them up. You see, once you reach back a ground, and them reach up there, them not see you. I saw it stay. That's why when you get certain time, you have to make use of it, and to make people drain your energy. So much interview him doing all of them little thing there. When him be sick and every little thing and you not see nobody a reach out to him and I say, yo, all them a do, you're my junkie and do the I saw it go. So everybody friendly with him now? I saw him either go.
I just such Jamaica people stay, you know. Them see you when you're up there, but when you're down, them not see you, brother. When you're down, they're at your lowest peak, them not see you. But soon as them see you, I make wave, everybody a try right on your cloud, brother.
I know why funniest thing, people. Fambo say when nothing never dog one for him, a Sean Paul did the for him. And you notice say Fambo dey on him peak right now. I never see Fambo and Sean Paul Ray or Sean Paul I try to get a clout off him or anything. You realize? Imagine the man with dead for him. You know see him and Fambo apart like that. Just try to show you. It's genuine people. Them genuine. None of them will link with Fambo now. Them not genuine. You understand? Yeah, man.
You understand? But just say, when enough of them people did that, when Fambo did need them, you understand? Fambo go on the thing, you see, you take this internet and go on, you turn TikToker? We are planning to turn TikToker? You can't turn TikToker, Fambo. You see me? Come here, I call up our Rosalie, them, I know Rosalie, I'll come for you quick, soon. You understand? So, you get over TikTok, Fambo, let's see over here. You see me?
Well, you see the thing is that, you know, yeah, him can be a TikToker. Remember, I say him not beg no gift or anything. Being a TikToker is fine, but what are you gaining from it? You understand? Yeah, the regular TikToker them will do them little match and everything and make some money and all of them little thing there. But Fambo now go live and them thing they are getting no money. Fambo is an artist, that's how we know Fambo as. You understand? Him can be a TikToker and an artist at the same time. You see me? Either I'm go full invest in a one or one I get weak and one get stronger. You see me? So right now, him not benefit off a TikTok. People just have seen content and just laugh or do a little, skit about it, but he's an artist. But him not make use of the artist part of the clout now. Him do a little red light pepper like them and give him a little bookings at Jamaican and Ray. I'm not still seeing international bookings yet. So what him for do right now, I try to get at least couple hit song out at the moment right now. Cause any song him drop right now, it a go hit easily. But me nah see him do nothing. Me just see the red light pepper like, but there is no, that are just the hook of the song them a play. Him should have add on a little chorus to it and Ray and put it up on Spotify and all of these places and try and make a money off it. You understand? I guess he maybe do a little dub plate and everything, but him supposed to find some more song. If he can get 5 song or 10 song out of it, you look at time him have now, that would have be great. At least him can book him for them song. Yeah. You understand? And him have Red Bull and all that. So, but him now make use of it, I guess. When the time come for that time they up, I just him gonna realize. I see him with Gully Bop. I see where Gully Bop did it. Gully Bop never actually make that use and make people jam out and all them little things. And when him need the same people when him have a cloud, nobody not there to help him. Them have to put up GoFundMe. You understand? So I just one of them things that people. But big up on yourself. When you don't know one media fast pan up, that is it.